Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your workspace. Install Power BI Desktop and confirm a Power BI Pro license. Connect to your primary data source, SQL, Excel, or an Azure dataset, so AI models can access clean rows. Once connected, enable the AI features and install any preview connectors required. Make sure to check column types and remove obvious nulls. This prevents garbage inputs to the AI. After that, create a simple report page to host visuals and test a single query to verify connectivity. You now focus on modeling and AI-driven insights, normalize tables, set relationships, and create key measures that the AI will reference. Use Power BI's Auto Insights in Queue and a visual to surface patterns, then add cognitive visuals for sentiment or entity extraction. If you need custom intelligence, connect to Azure Machine Learning or Azure OpenAI and configure the model endpoint and authentication. Once done, map model outputs to report fields, then validate predictions against a holdout sample so you can tune parameters. Finish by designing a clear dashboard. Group visuals logically, add slicers and bookmarks, and prioritize the AI insights for quick interpretation. Publish to your Power BI workspace, configure dataset credentials, and schedule refreshes so AI outputs stay current. Make sure to set access permissions and test queue and responses in the service. If something breaks, first check credentials and dataset schema mismatches, then inspect API quotas or throttling on the AI endpoint. If needed, reduce query volume and rerun the pipeline after fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.